It's time for another product quick view. Let's check it out. Okay, today we're looking at the Dynacom part number 900 FWM-1. It's a wall mount enclosure for fiber panel LGX style, and it holds one. As you can tell, there's the back of it. You can take a look at how it mounts. It does have a rubber grommet where the cable entrance is, and those are removable, one on each side. And once you open it inside, it does include a splice tray, which is pretty cool. There's a good look at it. And it also includes a bag of goodies, some cable management, zip ties, and some other, there's the cover for it. There we go. It also includes splice tubes, a dozen of them. There you go. For a better look, visit discountlowvoltage.com. A couple things about this enclosure. The first thing is you are able to remove that splice tray. It also includes a bracket where you can mount two MTP couplers. You got to pop them in there and then you can screw it in, replace that splice tray, and that's another option in case you got MTP cables. Also, it includes a little bracket where you're able to screw it on the back and then make it DIN rail mountable in small enclosures. So that's pretty nice if you have some outside plant, you need something to keep everything nice and neat and organized. So we're online at discountlowvoltage.com.